Hey everyone, welcome back to Dinner in Minutes with Bahia. Before we get into these recipes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious time, saving and wallet-friendly recipes. Since chicken is everyone's favorite protein, here's how I turn one rotisserie chicken into 3 easy dinners. First, I shred the chicken and divide it into 3 portions. Dinner 1. First up, we have chicken tacos. Just heat up the shredded chicken, add slaw and salsa, and you are done. Super simple. Dinner 2. Next we have chicken stir-fry. Toss with frozen veggies and teriyaki sauce. 10 minutes tops. Serve with either rice or pasta. Dinner 3. Finally, we have chicken quesadillas or a quick soup with pantry staples. There you have it. 1 chicken, 3 no-stress dinners. Save this for a busy week.